Step into the future, where intelligence meets efficiency and innovation drives success. For years, sensors have played a significant role in our lives. Sensors in your car show how fast you're driving. Sensors in your refrigerator tell you the temperature inside. Have you ever walked into a dark room and the light came on? There's a sensor for that too. Smart devices like your phone have lots of sensors, smart sensors. It's these that help dim the screen, turn it off when you're talking to someone, or even help you find the phone if it's lost. But what can smart sensors like these do for industry? Welcome to Intelitek's Smart Devices for Industry 4.0. Explore the world of intelligent sensors, the eyes and ears of the industrial realm, with Intelitek's I/O Link Lab kits. By capturing real-time data, these devices allow manufacturers to enhance processes, detect anomalies, and ensure quality with unparalleled precision. Unlock the full potential of sensors with I/O Link, the universal communication standard that revolutionizes device connectivity. In this course, you'll embark on a transformative journey and gain deep insights into sensor principles, I/O Link architecture, and remote data monitoring. You'll also get a chance to experience how smart sensors and other smart devices are used in industrial control. Master the skills to optimize processes, reduce machine downtime, and boost productivity in industrial environments. Embrace the future and unlock the true potential of smart devices for Industry 4.0. Enjoy the course!